Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to show a window that is off screen Windows 11. So click on start. Here guys you have to click on settings. Now here click on multitasking to enable. Just you have to select to on this setting. Snap windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layout. So just select to on this setting. Turn on these all settings. Now click on this minimize and select any layout like this one. Here you select another one. So select. So hover cursor on them and find out which is the better for you. That's it. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.